Good morning, students. Now let us continue the remaining questions of exercise 7.2. Yesterday we have done the question up to 5th. Now we are going, let us do the question number 6. I am reading the question. If 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. You are given the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, means order should be very important. Let A, B, C, D be the given parallelogram and let A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 4y, C equal to x6 and D equal to 3, 5. So that you have to write the vertices given coordinates in order, that is A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 4, y, C is equal to x, 6 and D is equal to 3, 5 be the vertices. Be the vertices of the parallelogram. If you write like this तरह लिखेंगे तो parallelogram A, B, C, D taken in order. You know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect means equal parts. That means ratio is 1:1. Since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, AO is to OC. AO is to OC means on AC, that is 1:1 is equal to OB is to OD. That means in a parallelogram, since diagonals are bisecting each other, O is the midpoint of both the diagonals AO into AO, AC and BD. Now on AC, since the ratio is 1:1, you can use which formula? Midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, first of all, we are going to find O from A and C. Then we will find O, the coordinates of O from B and D. Then we will equate. On AC, by midpoint formula, the coordinate of O is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. That is 1 plus x by 2. Second is y1 plus y2 by 2. 2 plus 6 by 2. That is x plus 1 by 2 can't be simplified further. So write as it is. x plus 1 by 2, 1 plus x by 2 को भले आप x plus 1 by 2 लिख सकते हैं, उसको सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. 6 plus 2 by 2, that is 8 by 2, that is equation number 1. 8 by 2 is 4. Now which diagonal is to be taken? Diagonal BD. On BD, O is equal to, that is 4 plus 3 by 2. 4 plus 3 by 2, comma, second is y plus 5 by 2. Y plus 5 by 2. That is equal to 7 by 2, comma, y plus 5 by 2. That means you got two equations and both equations are showing the same coordinates of O, so that you can equate both the equations. Now by 1 and 2, let me rub first of all. 1 and 2 gives, since in the left side both are the coordinates of O, you can equate right side. 1 and 2 gives this coordinate equal to this coordinate. X plus 1 by 2, comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2, comma y plus 5 by 2. आपको दोनों साइड में, लेफ्ट साइड में O का कोऑर्डिनेट्स, दोनों O का कोऑर्डिनेट्स बता रहा है. दैट मीन्स आप राइट साइड को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट यू विल गेट? By you can equate x coordinate as well as y coordinate. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Now again by cancellation, 2 are getting cancelled. X equal to 7 minus 1 implies x equal to 6. That means you got the value of x equal to 6 and now we have to find y. Y plus 5 by cross multiplication. सबसे पहले वेरिएबल को लेफ्ट में लिखते हैं तो y plus 5 को इधर दिया. 4 into 2 8 implies y is equal to 8 minus 5 implies y is equal to 5. That is the value of x is equal to 6 and value of y is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. Sorry, that is the value of x equal to 6 and value of y equal to 3. This is the 6th question. Next question is 7th question. I am reading the question first of all and after that we will start doing. Question 7 is, find the coordinates of the point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1 by 4. You are given a circle. This is the circle, and you are given the diameter of the circle as AB, and center let us assume as O. सर्कल दे रखा है, उसका डायमीटर ए बी दे रखा है, सेंटर भी दे रखा है. You have to find the coordinates of A. The coordinate of center is given as 2, -3, and coordinate of B is given as 1, 4. You have to find the coordinate of A. तो हम A का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या assume कर सकते हैं? XY. Let A XY be the required point. जिसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है उसको हमने AXY assume किया. And O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. What do you mean by center means? That means midpoint. Center of the circle. Since O is the midpoint, AO is to OB is equal to 1:1. Therefore, by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, you will get O, coordinate of O is equal to x plus, this is x1 by 1, this is x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 means x plus 1 by 2. And y1 plus y2 by 2 means y plus 4 by 2. But आपको क्या दे रखा है? The coordinate of A is 2, -3. This is the coordinate of O is 2, -3. This is the coordinate of O in terms of x and y. ये O का coordinate x और y के फॉर्म में है. ये O का coordinate constant है. That means given that O can be replaced by 2, -3 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2, y plus 4 upon 2. Now, since this coordinate is this ordered pair equal to this ordered pair, both we can equate both x coordinate and y coordinate. That implies 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 and -3 is equal to y plus 4 by 2. That means I am shifting x plus 1 here. X plus 1 is equal to 4, and again shifting y plus 4 left side. Y plus 4 is equal to -6. Implies x is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3, and y is equal to -6 minus 4, that is -10. That means we got the value of x equal to -3, x equal to 3, and the value of y you got as -10. Therefore, we have to find coordinates of it. Therefore, A equal to xy is equal to 3, -10. That is, coordinate of A is 3, -10. This is the 7th question. Next one is 8th question. 8th question I am reading the question. If A and B are -2, -2 and 2, 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on the segment AB. You are given the A and B 2 points. A and B. It is better to draw figure. Figure draw करेंगे clear हो जाएगा. A and B are given as question number 8, -2, -2, -2, -2, and B is given as 2, 4. 2, -4. कोऑर्डिनेट्स कॉपी करते बहुत ध्यान रखना है. एक माइनस प्लस साइन मिस हो जाएंगे तो सारे क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. यू आर गिवन ए पॉइंट P ऑन AB. एक पॉइंट P आपको AB के ऊपर दे रखा है, such that AP is equal to 3/7 AB. AP is 3/7 part of AB. That means P is nearer to A. AB का 3/7 part मतलब P A का nearer हो जाएगा, पास में हो जाएगा. Now you have to find the coordinate of P. If you know the ratio AP is to PB, then you can use section formula. How we can find AP is to PB from this given one? This can be written as 3/7. AB can be split as AP plus PB. AB को क्या करेंगे? AP plus PB कर दिया. That implies cross multiplication 7AP is equal to 3AP plus 3PB. implies 7AP minus 3AP is equal to 3PB. Implies 4AP is equal to 3PB. Implies AP by PB is equal to 3 by 4. That implies AP is smaller than PB. AP is to PB is equal to 3 is to 4. That means we got the ratio between AP and PB. This can be considered as M is to N. Now x1 y1 is in the section formula. X1 y1 is for your for not losing mark. I am advising you write these in each question so that you will not get any confusion, as well as you will not do any mistake. And x2 comma y2 is 2 comma minus 4. Now you can apply section formula. You will get by section formula coordinate of P is, I am not writing the formula, mx2. mx2 means 3 into x2 is that one, 2 plus nx1, 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. Once more I am saying mx2, 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. Second is my2. What is my2? M is 3. 3 into minus 4. This is y2. Plus ny1. 4 into minus 2. Plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. Now if you solve this, you will get 6 minus 8 by 7. This is minus 12 minus 8 by 7. That is minus 2 by 7, comma minus 20 by 7. That is the coordinate of the given point, required point P is minus 2 by 7, comma minus 20 by 7. This is the 8th question. In this question, you have to find the required ratio by applying by the system that I shown you. इसमें आपको AP is to PB निकालना पहले, इसके बाद फिर सेक्शन फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Next, question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 in 4 parts. First of all, let me draw the figure. Let A given points are A comma B. And then coordinate is given as minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. First A coordinate and B's coordinate is 2 comma 8. Similar question we have done in this exercise itself, trisection. As I told you, trisection means 3 equal parts बनाना है, बीच में 2 पॉइंट्स आएंगे. यहाँ आपको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स बनाना है, तो बीच में 3 पॉइंट्स आएंगे. Let P and let me draw in proportionate way. P, Q and R be the points of division to get 4 equal parts. Then this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Now, as I told you, it is better to write x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 2 and x2 y2 is 2 comma 8. Now first of all, we have to find AP is to PB. AP is to PB is, this is 1 and this is 3. That is 1 is to 3. Total कितना parts हो रहा है? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is M is to N is 1 is to 3. Then by section formula, you can find the coordinates of P is mx2, 1 into 2 plus nx1, 3 into minus 2 upon 1 plus 3. Once more check the coordinates. Coordinates are 2 minus 2 comma 2, 2 comma 8. 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2 upon 1 plus 3. Second is m by 2. 1 into 8 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 3. That is 1 minute. M by 2. M by 2 is 4. Ratio is 3. Sorry. Once more I say mx2, 1 into 2 plus nx1 plus 3 into 2 up 3 into minus 2 upon 1 plus 3. M by 2, 1 into 8 plus ny1, 3 into 2 upon 1 plus 3. That is 2 minus 6 by 4. 2 minus 6 by 4. And second is 8 plus 6. 8, 3 to 6 by 7. Sorry, 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. That is minus 4 by 4, 14 by 4. That is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. That is coordinates of P is given as, we got as minus 1 comma 7 by 2. अगर आप इसको फिगर में लिखना चाहते तो फिगर में भी लिख सकते हैं. फिगर के ऊपर, अदरवाइज यू कैन लीव द आंसर पार्ट. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड Q. फॉर दैट you have to find AQ is to QB. AQ is to QB means 2 is to 2. Equal parts हो जाता है. That is 2 is to 2 means if you cancel it becomes 1 is to 1. If the ratio is 1 is to 1, you can use which formula? Midpoint formula. Then by midpoint formula, Q, coordinate of Q is x1 plus x2 by 2 minus plus 2 plus 2 by 2. 2 plus 8 by 2, that is 0 comma 10 by 2, that is 5. That means you got the coordinate of Q is 0 comma 5. Now the coordinates of R. For finding coordinates of R, what is the ratio? AR is to RB. AR is to RB क्या बनेगा? AR means 1 to 3 and RB is 1, that is 3 is to 1. Just reverse of AP is to PB. Now by section formula, you will get R is equal to MX2. MX2 means 3 into 2. Plus nx1. nx1 is 1 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 1, m plus n. 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 1, mx2, that is 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 1, m by 2. m by 2 means 3 into 8 plus n by 1, 1 into 2 upon 3 plus 1. That means 6 minus 2 by 4 comma 24 plus 2 by 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 4. 4 by 4 comma 24 plus 2 is 26 by 2. 4 by 4 is 1. 26 by 4. 26 by 4 को आप cancel करेंगे, you will get 13 by 2. That is the third point. That is the coordinate of R is 1 comma 13 by 2. If you want, you can write in the figure, otherwise you can leave it. That means first coordinate that we got as minus 1 comma 7 by 2, second is 0 5, third is 1 comma 3 is 13 by 2. In this one you have to think AP is to PB 1 is to 3 होगा, AQ is to QB 1 is to 1 होगा, AR is to RB 3 is to 1. Now last question of this exercise, that is question number 10. I am reading the question first of all. Question number 10 I am reading. Find the area of a rhombus of its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. Hint is given as area of rhombus equal to half products of diagonals. Hint exam में आपको नहीं मिलेगा, आपको समझना है, खुद समझकर करना है. So you are given a rhombus. Let me draw the rhombus first of all. This is the rhombus ABCD. Now you are given the coordinates as first one is 3, 0 and next one is 4, 5 and third one is minus 1, 4 and fourth one is minus 2, minus 1. आपको इसका ऑर्डर में लेना है, ऑर्डर में लेकर के आपको इसको सॉल्व करना है. Now you know that area of rhombus is half into D1, first diagonal into second diagonal. For that you have to join both the diagonals. Let ABCD be the given rhombus with A equal to 3, 0, B equal to 4, 5, C equal to minus 1, 4 and D equal to minus 2, minus 1. Now AC first diagonal. First diagonal को let us assume as small d1 equal to distance. How we can find distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given by distance formula. That is minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Under root of, using the formula, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is 16 plus 16. मैंने आपको उस दिन हिंदी दिया था. 16 into plus 16 को 2 into 16 करेंगे. 16 if you take outside 4 root 2. Now BD is second diagonal D2. Let us assume it as D2. D2 is equal to, again using the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square. That is minus 6 whole square is 36. Again minus 6 whole square is 36. As I told you in the previous step, 2 into 36. If you take 36 outside of square bracket under root, becomes 6 root 2. This is 4 root 2. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to, formula is half d1 into d2. That is half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. if root 2 इसमें root 2 time कटता है, this is getting cancelled. 4 into 2, that is 24. You have to write the formula unit 24 square units. That is area of the given rhombus is 24 square units. That is we found using the formula area of rhombus equal to half d1 into d2. Now this exercise 7.2 is completed. Do all these questions in your notebook and see you again in the next class. Thank you.